First things first, Metro Vancouver has been showing incredible resilience. Despite the higher borrowing costs, our market has stood tall. Sales have been keeping up, and we've seen year-to-date price increases of over 8% across all types of homes. That's right, folks, a true testament to the strength of our local housing market. Hey there, folks. I'm Josh Kepke here with Real Broker and your Metro Vancouver real estate market update. We're looking back at the numbers from August 2023, and today I've got some exciting insights to share with you about what's been happening in our beautiful corner of the world. So let's dive in. Let's talk about the diversity in our market. It's fascinating. Different property types have been showing varying levels of performance. Detached homes, they're doing well, especially if you're under like $2 million or especially even more under 1.5. But it's the condos that have been on fire with a whopping 27.4% increase in sales compared to last year. Now that's something to consider whether you're buying or selling. And speaking of buying and selling, let's not forget our trusty sales to active listings ratio. It's currently at 23.9%. And what does that mean? Well, it suggests our overall market is in balance. There's no major advantage for either buyers or sellers, making it a great time to explore your real estate dreams in Metro Vancouver. By property type, however, the picture is a little different. The ratio is at 14.2% for detached homes, 30.3% for townhomes, and 31.9% for condos. That means it's the less expensive attached properties. Those are the ones that are really moving. Lastly, let's talk numbers. Let's talk about the benchmark prices for houses in the various regions because those have seen some interesting shifts. For example, Burnaby East has seen a remarkable increase of 12.7% over this time last year. That's $1,923,700 for a typical house in Burnaby East. Now, Squamish and Whistler, they've both dipped slightly by about 10%, bringing the benchmark price for a house in Squamish to just under 1.6 million, and in Squamish, just a little under $2.5 million. Now, understanding these regional nuances can be crucial for making informed decisions. Keeping in mind that this time last year, interest rates were on the rise, so a lot of people, they put their plans on hold, and that 24% increase we're seeing in sales is still 13% below the 10-year average. And it's the same for listings, still approximately 13% below the 10-year average. So we're just not seeing a volume in sales that we're used to. Not as many transactions, but with those sales, at least what that's telling us is that people are getting on with their lives despite the current rates. And that's what I'm seeing on the ground too. Now, speaking of rates, we've got some good news in this last little bit. There's no change in the interest rates. Now, that's not to say they won't go up in the future, but at least we've got a little bit of breathing room. Moving forward, a little bit of advice, a word of caution. I know a lot of you are waiting for interest rates to come down before you make that move. Please just keep in mind that when interest rates go down, prices will go up. And when prices go up, you're gonna need more cash. Down payments are gonna go up. Now, by no means should anybody be rushing into the market when they're not fully ready or when it's gonna cause financial stress on their lives. But if your circumstances and your financial abilities are aligned right now, you should be out there having the conversations and looking at the properties. You don't have to do anything, but worst case scenario, as you're looking at all that stuff, you're gaining information. And when you're gaining information, you're gonna make a more informed decision when the time comes. So there you have it, your Metro Vancouver real estate market update. It's been a roller coaster over the last year. With this time last year, things were pretty much dead. And then it picked up in the new year and we had a rip roar in spring. But our market here, it's strong, it's diverse, and it's ready for you to explore. So whether you're a buyer or a seller, remember, knowledge is power, and I'm here to help you navigate every step of the way. If you think you could benefit from a conversation about your plans, your local market, please reach out. I'm happy to help. You can visit my website, vancouverrealestatetoday.ca, or you give me a call. I'm Josh Kepke. I'm your Metro Vancouver real estate market expert, and I'm here to guide you to your dream home. Until next time, Stay informed, stay inspired, and stay amazing.